Is it possible to set up a US bank account or a Panama bank account completely remotely? It's possible. It's recommended to have contacts because when you do processes remotely for banking, it's usually a very strict KYC because the fact that you go there in person just shows that you are a real person. You are not somebody impersonating, you're not scamming, you're not photoshopping documents or doing anything that might pose a risk for the bank. So that's why in-person openings are much faster. For example, our clients, when they go to Miami with our bankers, trusted bankers, they go and in a matter of 1 hour, they open a personal bank account, and then half an hour more, they open their business bank account with Chase, Bank of America, Amerant, many, Capital One, many of these banks, right? So that's easy. Panama, the same. It's usually faster if you do it in person and you go there with your ID, your passport, everything. However, remotely usually takes 5 to 6 months in some of these banks. You know, the best reputable banks. Of course, if you go to a kind of a credit union in Panama, a very small bank, they're gonna open you in 2 days remotely, but it's not a bank that you would put your net worth there. Right? You would not feel comfortable. So for a reputable bank like one that we partner with, that they've been more than 50 years in Panama, solid banking, great reputation, online banking, crypto friendly, usually takes 5 to 6 months. However, we can get the process down to 2 weeks, 3 weeks, because again, we are trusted partners with them. We are betting, this case, you, betting the client. They know that we are only sending people that are, pre-screened by us, and then it's much, much faster. We know the board of directors. We can also get a private banker directly with you, like private client with WhatsApp, so you can text whatever you need via email, via WhatsApp. You're in touch with your banker. Hey, it's going to arrive a transfer, or hey, I'm going to receive $500,000 tomorrow. Or I'm going to put 200,000 in crypto and then swap it inside the bank for fiat. All of this is possible just sending WhatsApp, and you will not have any frozen funds. So that's really interesting in Panama, crypto friendly. In the US, we can open a Chase account. Yes, it's possible to do it remotely with IT clients, but again, you need good connections inside the bank. Others are more difficult. It is something that needs to be seen case by case because presence in the branch is really important for the opening when you are not a US citizen. Again,
if you're a US citizen with your social and your passport, that's it. You can open a bank wherever you are.
But for non-US citizens, it's more difficult. Partner with somebody, go to LinkedIn, even if you want to build these connections. I mean, it took us months to find the right ones and to find the best bankers that will allow us to, for our wealthiest clients, just go and open the bank account right away. Of course, there's a cost to this. If you're interested because you don't want to fly there, you don't have the visa because of your passport, or you don't want to waste time going to Miami because you have a lot of work to do, and every day that you are moving and traveling, you're losing money, then you can just choose the remote opening, more convenient from your home. And the money you're going to save from the trips, hotels, restaurants, going to Miami, and the inconvenience, you just pay it in the service and you still save some money. So if you want to partner with us, you want us to help you open remotely, you have the link down below. We're going to help you out, tell you a couple of the considerations, ask you a couple questions, make sure that everything will work for you. And if so, let's go. Panama, US, and then we have another list of both US banks and offshore banks we can open remotely. If you want to access the full list, we have a free chapter as well. You can just put your email there. We're going to send it your way and you can just compare. It's an Excel sheet at your own pace, without a call, without anybody there. Just read it and then you contact us and say, hey, I like bank 1, 17, and 35. Now we have over 60 in that list that you can browse for free. And then, we discuss more details about each one of them. If you are interested in more YouTube videos, you also have that option. So you choose link to take action or next video over here. If that's your choice, I'll see you over there.